That is very cool. I love it.
She's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
I love it.
Isn't it cool?
It is cool.
And the tires.
Oh yeah, those tires.
Tires on it.
This would make a great little camping vehicle.
It is going to. Thank you so much, Kim.
He just loves it.
And it's a 72. Wow. I love it.
Started. You started to put the inside. Look at the inside of it.
Wow.
Lola wanted us to kind of give a background story of the Toyota FJ Cruiser, the Land Cruiser. Kind of goes back, I don't know, 7-8 years ago, I guess. Is that right?
I think so, yeah.
I got interested in prepping and which I came by honestly from my father, but that's another story. But anyway, I was always prepared no matter what, that if I was hiking, I was always prepared or whatever.
Yeah, well, I actually, that was kind of my contribution. It's like you got me interested in prepping, for that, whatever that event might be. And so...
Well, and then I had read stuff about an EMP out, and
right.
things about the vehicles. I wasn't one of those way out there like doomsday prepper or anything like that.
We didn't have you didn't have a commune.
No.
Or a compound. I mean, not commune.
Yeah, I did.
It wasn't a commune, it was a compound.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't a compound. It was just...
No, I know people that have compounds. But anyway, I just prepared mostly for unexpected things, either weather or the loss of my job or things like that. But then I read about the EMPs, and that kind of freaked me out. And so it's like, an EMP will...
Wow. Isn't this awesome? Because the simplicity of the old systems, it just, they should do this on everything nowadays.
I don't see why they don't. You can get to everything.
You can get to it.
You can change your spark plugs without breaking any knuckles.
Yep, you sure can.
That's awesome.
I got new wiring, hoses, belts, radiators.
Beautiful.
I'm not mechanically inclined, and I can work on this. So
Yeah.
that's what makes it really nice.
Heck, I could work on this.
Good.
That's what I thought too. Cause problems to, it's an electromagnetic pulse, and it will cause computer things to go array or whatever. And all the cars,
I think it'll just zap them to where they can't work at all.
that's what they
won't
say.
function.
That's what they say.
They say, yeah.
But anyway, so, it was like, oh my gosh, I need a vehicle or something that doesn't have all the computer parts in it. So,
Right.
Anyway.
Well, and I always wanted, for years and years and years ago, I wanted to get a vehicle and restore an older one, and I just thought that would be fun, but I don't have any of those skills, but I wanted to learn. I had very little skills. I thought that I was a good mechanic. I was in the oil field and I was a mechanic's helper, and I had a 1966 Mustang, and so I was going to restore it. And I ended up taking the engine out and pulling all the pistons and going to put new rings in it. Yeah, you did a lot of work on that Mustang engine, though.
Yeah. I never put it back together.
Oh. I guess I forgot that part.
Yeah.
Love it. It's very fun. Thanks for bringing it by and showing it to us.
Yeah, isn't it going to be cool? It's cool as it is. I'm going to take the back seat out.
I had spent so long
I'm going to take it out
since I've seen like a metal vehicle to begin with. It's just amazing.
Because the window won't work right now, so I'm working on the motor on that.
That latch on the tailgate.
Yeah, you got the window out of it in the back.
Yeah.
That's great.
Very cool.
Man, you could build this out to put a bed in here easy.
Yeah, that's my plan.
You could put a bed in a little kitchen, easy. Yeah.
One side, I'm planning on making it a bench that the top will fold up, and then for storage, and then maybe make it so the lip actually double folds, and then for that can be the bed.
Awesome.
And then if somebody needs to ride, they'll have riding space, and the other side a little kitchen area or
Yeah.
something like that.
Life got in the way, and I decided to, I wanted my Mustang running, so I packaged it all up, put all the parts in a box, and took it to a mechanic and had him do it. But anyway, that's beside the point. So this was going to be my second attempt of helping rebuild and restore a vehicle.
Yeah, we were gonna do this together and learn how to do this. And,
Yeah.
And yeah, things just, you're just too busy.
You're
It's
just too
hard.
busy for this
There's-
kind of project.
Yeah, I know, just working and things. So
So anyway, Kim found this out in the lot somewhere, or it was on Auto Trader or something.
I think
like
it was
that.
on. Yeah, I think it was listed on Auto Trader, and I was surprised that it was in our hometown. And so I went and talked to the guy about it, and even though it needs a lot of work at the time, it would run barely. I think he had done a couple of things to it, but anyway, this was going to be our project, and
I love rat rods, and you know what I mean by rat rods? They don't really fix them up with the aesthetics part. It's bare metal sometimes, and they'll hot rod the motor sometimes, but it's all for function. But they do not buy a part. For a steering wheel, if they need a new steering wheel, they'll go weld a chain all together.
Right.
And that's their new steering wheel. Everything's like that.
Yeah,
and I'm
that's
having
cool.
a hard part. I want to do that, but they'll chop the roof, and sometimes they'll take it off, and I don't really want to do that.
No.
So, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Have fun. A lot of it.
Yeah.
Very cool. That sound. You just don't hear that anymore.
It'll be a great project for Lonnie.
You were right.
Very cool.
It is very,
Yeah,
very
that's a
neat.
brand new radiator, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just put the radiator and then like the thermostat, the battery, all the hoses and belts. The carburetor is I put a new kit
cool.
on it, and then this is, believe it or not, that's a brake booster, and we couldn't find one. You cannot find parts for this. They're non-existent, except one in Montana on eBay, and it was $750. And I thought, that's just a brake booster. This has a lot of needs. If I'm spending $750 on every little thing, I can't do it.
Yeah.
It'll be a fortune. And so, fortunately, the mechanic said, I think I can make a bracket, and we can use a new 4Runners brake booster. And he did all that. It cost me $230.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
So,
Cool.
yeah.
Wow.
Very cool. Okay. Right. Huh. Very cool.
Isn't that cool?
So cool.
Got a back in the back of it.